Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Competency Assessment for Hanska NC2. My name is Charity May Arbatanto. I am an accredited competency assessor. I would like to acknowledge the presence of Ms. Rachel Palas, our Assessment Center Manager, and Ms. Mary Grace Galope, our TESDA Provision Office. You do not have to worry about their presence. They are here to oversee the conduct of competency assessment and to check if the conduct is in accordance with the prescribed competency assessment methodology and procedures. They will not assess you. Before I start, let me first check the attendance. Please present to me your admission slip once your name is called. Ms. Genevieve Agabin. Please sign your signature, please. Thank you. Ms. Ingrid Paragina. Please sign your signature. Thank you. I have here with me your accomplished self-assessment guide. This is an indication that you know and can perform all the units of competency enumerated in Hanska NC2 qualifications. Today, I'm going to administer competency assessment for Hanska NC2 based on TESDA standards. This assessment is evidence and performance-based. The qualification Hanska NC2 consists of core competency, including observe workplace hygiene, apply safety practices and procedures, perform Hanska treatment. This competency will be assessed through your actual performance, the materials used, your following of instructions, observation checklist, and oral questioning. Do you have any questions or clarifications? The assessment will follow TESDA's competency-based assessment methodology. Here are the rules. No coaching, follow safety and protocols, ask questions only before the assessment begins, follow time limit indicated in the test package, no use of mobile phones, maintain cleanliness and order. Allowable adjustments will be given if necessary. Please tell me now if you have any special needs. I will now distribute the competency assessment agreement sheets. Please read the instructions carefully and answer all the questions outlined in the documents. If you need assistance, I will be more than willing to assist you. I will now collect your accomplished competency assessment agreement sheets. Okay, thank you. And now, I'm going to assign the number of the candidates. You are candidate number 1. And you are the first to enter the assessment area. And you are candidate number 2. You will wait at the waiting area. We are now entering the Hanska assessment area. Here is the floor plan. This is our working area. So you have a distance learning area, learning resource center, computer laboratory support area, practical work area, institutional assessment area, trainers resource area, contextual learning laboratory, quality control area. So this is our working area, which includes Hanska basin, towels, lotion, oil, scrubs, nail files, gloves, alcohol, timer, and nipper. I will now read the instructions from the test package. You are to perform a complete Hanska treatment following workplace hygiene and safety procedures. You will have 25 minutes to complete the task. Before starting, you may ask questions. During the task, you may no longer ask. Do you have any questions? Okay. So, your timer starts now.
Sobrang message mo sir.
Time is up. We're now entering the assessment area. Here's the floor plan. Distance learning area, learning resource area, computer laboratory support area, practical work area, institutional assessment area, trainers resource area, contextual learning laboratory, and quality control area. So this is our working area, which includes a hand scrub basin, lotion, scrub, nail file, gloves, alcohol, and cuticle removal. I will now read the instructions from the test package. You are to perform the complete hand scrub treatment following the workplace hygiene and safety procedures. You will have 35 minutes to complete the task. Before starting, you may ask questions. During the task, you may no longer ask. Do you have questions? Okay. Your time starts now. Time is up. Why is sanitation important before taking?
Sanitation first, yun yung goal natin pagka tayo gumagawa ng activities. So, pinaka-important na rin yan, malinis, hands pa, at
Okay. I will now evaluate your performance using test the rules of evidence, validity, sufficiency, authenticity, currency. And now, I will prepare your competency assessment result summary or CARS, Genevieve, your strengths, excellent sanitation, complete steps, correct massage techniques, improve your speed and towel organization. You perform the task within the standard requirements of the qualification. Congratulations, you are competent. And please sign here in your cards. So, you may claim your national certificate at the provincial office. Look for Miss Limanagan after 7 working days. Okay, Miss AP, what is the purpose of exfoliation?
to remove dead skin cell and polymers to improve the smoother skin.
Okay, I will now evaluate your performance using test the rules of evidence, validity, sufficiency, authenticity, and currency. And now, I will prepare your competency assessment result summary or CARS. So here's your competency assessment result summary. Please sign here. Miss April, you are good in client handling. However, you are unable to complete these steps such as proper soaking and sanitizing within the standard requirements of the qualification. You are assessed as not yet competent. You have to review the activities related to the competency requirements of the qualification further. You come back after a month to reassess or when you feel confident enough that you have required the competence. Don't worry, you will only be reassessed on the part of the activity that you were found to be not yet competent. Please, here in your house. All documents such as attendance sheet, CAAS, rating sheets, CARS, RAACS. Endorsing the complete documents or assessment center manager, Ms. Rachel Dias. This concludes our competency assessment for HASPA Institute. Thank you. Candidates, I want to thank you for your cooperation. Thank you as well to Ms. Mary Grace Galope and Ms. Rachel Dias for observing. Have a great day and continue striving for excellence.